With the Unpacked 2024 event almost a week away, the buzz around the upcoming products is on the rise, especially the next-generation foldable and the wearables that will be unveiled. The Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch Ultra are expected to be rolled out with the rumored AI integrations. While the watches are said to feature significant health upgrades, recent news about the biggest life-saving features coming to the models is also doing the rounds. A Chinese publication, iHome, has spotted the Galaxy Watch 7 and the Galaxy Watch Ultra on the Chinese certification website, TAF. What's interesting is that the listing has revealed the official images of both smartwatches, which are in line with the leaks and renders that are doing rounds on the internet. For those catching up, the certification authority grants licenses for accessing networks in the region. Hence, the information in its database comes directly from Samsung, making it official. Therefore, the images and the specifications of the Galaxy Watch 7 and the Galaxy Watch Ultra are solid. The Chinese certification website has provided both the smartwatches with the national 3C certification. It is important to mention here that Samsung is eyeing a global launch for its new wearable devices, implying that it will launch the Watch 7 and Watch Ultra in China, along with the rest of the world. The Galaxy Watch Ultra features a single 47mm size with a titanium case, sapphire glass on the front, and a 3D glass dial. It boasts a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 480 by 480 resolution, protected by sapphire glass for added durability, with a density of 327 ppi. The Exynos W1000 processor with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage powers the smartwatch. It runs on One UI Watch 6.0 and includes a 590 mAh battery with support for wireless fast charging. This model also supports WCDMA and LTE networks. The watch is equipped with IP6X dust resistance, IP68 water and dust resistance, and a 10 ATM waterproof rating. The Galaxy Watch 7 will be available in 40mm and 44mm sizes, featuring an aluminium case instead of titanium. The 40mm model will showcase a 1.3-inch display, while the 44mm model will boast a larger 1.5-inch display. This particular version, likely to be the larger variant, has a 417 mAh battery. It shares the same chipset, RAM, and storage as the Watch Ultra, along with identical UI and IP ratings. The Galaxy Watch Ultra will be available in titanium silver with a black strap and titanium white with a white strap. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is said to be available in titanium gray, titanium silver, and titanium white. There's a titanium gray with an orange strap that is said to sell only in Europe. It's tipped to cost €699, approximately 62700 rupees. The Galaxy Watch 740mm Bluetooth version will offer green and cream options, potentially priced at €319. The 44mm version will feature green and silver variants, priced at €349. For the Bluetooth plus 4G version, the 40mm model will be available in green and cream, costing €369, approximately 33271 rupees, while the 44mm model in green and silver will be priced at €399, approximately 36000 rupees. Samsung's Unpacked event is scheduled for July 10th in Paris, earlier than previous years, promising not only the new smartwatches, but also announcements on foldable devices, smart rings, and updates to Galaxy AI features. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.